Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I wanted to do a sunset blend. So if you'd like to see how I got this look with a touch of Euphoria, then just keep on watching. Hey, so starting off, I'm applying the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas in Fair all over my lid. You can use code Slightly Unblended to save some money. But I'm applying it all over the lid with a flat brush, and then I'm going to take a fluffy brush just to get it nice and blended in to my skin and to make sure that I don't get any creasing, but that's something that you don't really have to worry about with the Clean Canvas. For today's look, I'm using the Noire Cosmetics I Am palette. I'm starting with the shade I Am Vulnerable with the Makeup Shack T66 brush. And I'm just kind of winging it out. This is going to be the shade that I'm going to be using for depth. I wanted a more like hot pink and yellow kind of vibe because I love that color combination and it just screams like summertime to me. And I do apologize for the voiceover. I am still fairly sick, but I'm a little better than I was when I was filming this. So now I'm taking the Doe Color number 6 brush to diffuse that shade. I'm only taking it about a little more than halfway and just building up the shape. I'm winging it out. And then I'm going to go into the shade I Am Successful with the Doe Color number 11 brush and just blend out I Am Vulnerable. But I will be going back in and touching up I Am Vulnerable as well, just because I want to have that depth. I want it to be vibrant. This palette is beautiful. It's pigmented and it blends so nicely. And about right here is where I'm touching up I Am Vulnerable. Isn't that such a gorgeous shade? It's like a berry, but like pink, but like red. It's just gorgeous. With the Doe Color number 6 brush, I'm taking the shade I Am Cared For to blend out the previous shade. It's more of a white color, which I really like because I feel like it helps to diffuse colors and make them more airbrush looking. So I'm just taking that and blending it all out. Now, with the blending for the winging it out bit, I forgot to mention that when you're going out and winging it and like getting that wing shape, the farther you go out, the least amount of pressure that you want to use. You want the brush to just barely touch your skin when you're on that outer bit, more going, winging it outwards towards where you would put your highlighter, if that makes any sense. With the Doe Color number 10 brush, I'm taking the shade I Am Fearless, and I'm starting to apply it into the crease, and I'm kind of taking it towards the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to take it and blend it over towards the shades that are a little more than halfway in the crease. And I'm just going to do back and forth windshield wiping motions with pretty fair and light pressure. And then I'm going to take my J-Cat Beauty All About That Base glitter primer. I'm applying it with my finger. I love this stuff. It helps my shimmers stay all day. It's seriously amazing. Okay, right here, Terra Cosmetics, their new collection. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. And of course, I had to use a few of these shades for this look. So I'm sticking with the yellows and the pinks, and they're magical. I'm starting out with the shade Lost in Space, which is a beautiful pink with kind of an indigo shift. It's a multi-chrome, and it's just like, it's so hard to explain. It's just beautiful. They sent these over for me to try out, and so, like, they are gifted, but my opinions are definitely my own. I've ordered from them before and instantly fell in love with their products, and I use their products pretty much almost every look. And just look at how gorgeous this is. So for this next shade, I'm using Flare Star. I don't know why I forgot that one, but it's so beautiful. It's kind of like a pink, but it's kind of a little lighter. I wanted that to be kind of the center. I wanted it to be darker and then work over to like light, extra shifty. I will admit that I struggle with pronouncing this one, but I want to say it's Mu Cephei, but it is a beautiful, like, iridescent yellow with like a tint of like lime green. I'm just taking it and kind of blending it over with Flare Star, and just, oh my goodness, like, I'm obsessed. So to kind of like blend these shimmers together, I just kind of like pat them and then go in and touch them up and everything like that. And like, with them being multi-chrome, it just looks like you have magic on your eyes. Look at the shift. Can you see it? So for here, I'm taking my eyelash glue on a little tool that I got from BH Cosmetics from the Get Stone collection. And how I'm doing this is I'm kind of using the eyelash glue as an eyeliner, kind of how you would do a graphic eyeliner. But I feel like I don't have to be as precise with it because this is a clear one. It dries down clear and I get a little messy sometimes. So I'm just tracing out or mapping out my shape where I'm going to apply my gems and everything, and just using the eyelash glue for that. I feel like this kind of makes it a little less time consuming, but I'm just popping on some pearls, some gems, and just trying to have a nice little magical euphoria moment. My camera did cut off midway through this, but I decided to like keep as much of it in as I could. And yeah, so I'm just placing them down. Have fun with it. That to me, like, gems and pearls and little decor like this, really, like, I have a lot of fun with it. Oh, dropped it. This is the finished look. I'm sorry for the voiceover. I did plan on doing a full video with the Crown Noire palette on its own, but I wanted to make it more in depth, so I'm gonna do that soon. I don't feel very well, and I have like no energy, and my voice is messed up and everything, so I was like, let's just do a voiceover. It's a little more talking, but it's for a shorter amount of time than when I do my normal tutorials. But I hope that you like this look. I'm obsessed with the Terra Moon's Cosmetics Shimmers and the I Am palette from Crown Noire. It's such a good palette. It's very pigmented. I love it. It blends easily, and I know I was planning on doing one with their stencils. I'm going to save that for the full one. I felt like not a full-on cut crease, but like make it look like you put all the cut crease work into it. Look at the shift. Do you see the shift? Hold on, let me. I wanted to just do something in this color combination. Like, I was really going for like a hot pink and yellow because I love that, but I was like, yeah, this is giving summer. But yeah, this was definitely giving me summer vibes. I was like, sunset blend season is upon us, and I need to do some like neon looks, and I have so many plans. I just hope that I can have the energy to do everything that I have on my brain, because I feel like it'd be so much fun and they would be so colorful, and my heart would be so happy because colorful looks just make my day. Also, I did get to be a part of the BoxyCharm ambassador program, so I will be sprinkling in a couple Wednesday videos here and there with BoxyCharm products and the Ipsy Open Studios products. I'm really excited about that because I've been with Ipsy forever, and I'm kind of nervous talking about this because it still doesn't seem real, but I had applied a while back and I didn't hear anything, and then somehow I ended up there. So I'm really excited about those because, as I've mentioned just a minute ago, I love Ipsy so much, like Flaw. I've been subscribed to Ipsy since like 2016. I found my love for makeup through Ipsy. I found a lot of brands through Ipsy. Like, so I was really, really excited about that. And then when BoxyCharm reached out, I'd been thinking about getting BoxyCharm for a little while, but then I was just like, okay, we'll see how this goes. So I'm super excited to sprinkle in some of those videos because honestly, subscription boxes is what really, really kicked in that intrigue with makeup, or for makeup for me, or anyway, I know that was rambly. I hate like just rambling about random stuff. Also, I love it because that's what I do best sometimes. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and go. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to keep up with my awkward phase and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, I'll have all my social medias linked in the description box down below. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me, and I can't thank you enough. And honestly, I want to just like thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here, for watching, like taking the time out of your day to spend time with me and watching my videos and leaving comments and like just being there. Like, it really, I cannot thank you enough. It really makes my day, and I'm so thankful to have all of you as my friends. And yeah, I'm rambling again. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!